Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So we're looking at a 2002 Ford. It's actually like a Ford F350. You got the ABS light right down here. For this vehicle, if you're driving down the road, you step on the gas, runs a little rough, and the ABS light comes on. Boop, see the ABS? It's fixed already. So, step on the gas, runs rough, ABS light comes on. The problem is been for us bad coils, or a bad coil. So, it changes from one coil to the next, so I don't know which one it is specifically, but if you have a fluttering engine, misfiring engine, and an ABS light, don't worry about the ABS light because there will be no codes, but you will have a bad coil somewhere, so you'll want to check it out. That's my tip for ABS with no codes on a Ford.